Testing, 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 testing. All right, welcome everybody. Welcome, welcome. Hope everyone's doing well. We're all safe. Pound yen is consolidating. Gold, 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 gold. Took a buy on gold. Anticipated it to continue pushing bullish. So this is what it's looking at like right now, right? So it took a buy on gold. I thought I'd just share it here with you guys. Took a buy once we broke the high of the previous 15-minute candle. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we were pushing up. The 1-hour candle was also kind of like, we were in a bullish momentum. So looking to see if we can really break above 1756 to continue up or not. So, just basing this off of the 1-hour time frame. If I get stopped out or break even, so what, right? It's okay. But generally looking to see if we can continue pushing past 1756 and continue on towards, I'd say like 1760 would be a pretty good target here. That's what I'm looking at. 1760 for price to continue on moving there. Pound yen is whatever consolidating at this point. Let's take a look at our Gulag. Gulag is here. Welcome everybody. Welcome. Nice to see you guys. Looks like we got the chat going on here as well. All right. Let's see here. Good morning everybody. Could you share this link? Advertising. This guy tried to scam me using the same name as you. Yeah, there are a lot of people like that who are trying to scam people using my name. Happens, it happens. Okay, before we begin, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to get some creatine in my body. Yeah, I'll be right back. All right, here we go. Raja Banks is back. What's this? Can anyone help me recover Dominion Markets master password for live account? I think you gotta contact the support. Does gold affect? What the fuck? Does gold affect due to Bitcoin drop? I don't think so. I don't think so. But what we have seen in the past was that when there was a dump on Bitcoin, we saw a rise on gold. So that may mean that investors, the amount of investors that are present in Bitcoin, they also had their funds in gold. Now this is just a like a very crude explanation, but I don't think it does a lot. It could. I haven't really looked into that. All right, let's do some analysis over here. Now, let's do some full-on gold analysis here, shall we? And see what's popping. So looking at the daily time frame, daily is rejecting this area. Daily candle has no wick at the bottom, so we're going to remove all analysis. Let's take a look on the 4-hour. 4-hour is coming up. We've created a support on the 4-hour. We've been talking about the support for about the whole week at this point, because look, we've created a support 1741.90. Price moved up. For price to retest the low at this point, we need a resistance formed right here, because this is going to be a very, very nice trade here for price to continue down. It's like 132 pips away. So looking on the 1-hour time frame, we are consolidating. Is my trade still open? Yeah, trade is still open at this point. Oh no, it got closed. Oh yeah, I made like 1500 minus commission, so like 700. Yeah, it got closed at break even. All right. So yeah, we're just consolidating here in gold. I thought it's going to continue moving up, but it didn't. So what else? It's okay. We're consolidating at this point. We know that the longer price consolidates, the harder it's going to break, right? So at this point, right off the bat, we have a resistance, 1755, support, 1753, right? Gulag. What do you think about daily having no bottom wick? I think it has no bottom wick. It has no bottom wick. What else can you do? Looking at the 30-minute time frame now, 30-minute is very, very, very solid consolidation. This is actually pretty amazing, right? And the reason why it's amazing is because even if you get one candle to break above, let's say the previous candle, 1756.10, price stands the chance to continue pushing bullish. And look at this, all this clean traffic through the left-hand side. This is something that should really excite you at this point. Just patiently gotta wait for price to break. That's it. Patiently gotta wait for the price to break. Patiently gotta wait for the price to break. All right, so looking at a 30-minute time frame, yeah, we're just consolidating at this point. We want to look at the 15-minute, but 15-minute has some problems over here at 1752, problems over here at 1756. So I'm only going to trust the 30-minute to see if we can break above or break below. If we can break below, the move is going to be like a 27-30 pip move. It's the range over here. We got a rejection at 1752 as well, because it could be very tricky. Daniel there sent 3 different charts. We can only take a look at one chart there, Daniel. Just one chart, I'm sorry, because it's a live stream, right? We can only take a look at one chart. So choose the best chart, and then we're going to take a look at that. But yeah, we're just going to wait here and go. Let's take a look at Forex Factory to see if we have any news coming in. Because, we got Fed Powell. Powell speaking over here. Okay. Powell speaking after the rates. Powell speaking after the rates. This is interesting, because if this guy is going to say something, it's probably going to say something about the rates they had. They kept the rates the same. It's probably going to say something along with the lines of the press conference they had after the rates. So I think the reason why gold is consolidating is because it's probably waiting for Mr. Powell to open his mouth. So I think 10 a.m. is going to be a very, very volatile move here. Can you please check Slack? I wait 2 weeks for an answer. Really? Let's take a look over here. Oh, it's not been 2 weeks. I've been busy the last week. It's not been 2 weeks at all. It's hardly been 2 weeks. Are you still focused on 10 pips? I asked because you took 50,000 to 800,000 in a few months. How is it possible? It's possible. Just 1 to 2 trades a day. Is the London session 1:30 to 4:30 Eastern? Yes. A good time to trade in gold? Yes. So the question is the London session a good time to trade gold? I think you over exaggerated with the time part. Didn't wait 2 weeks, probably maybe a week. So I mean, it's good. We've seen some moves in gold during that time, but I think what you need to do is before you ask that question is that maybe look at the way how gold moves during London session, right? Look how the way gold moves, see if it has solid moves. So, for example, if you look right over here, right, gold had a move up from 1751 to 1755, $4 move, almost like a $6 move over here, right? So then you need to identify this and say that, okay, how could you have been a part of that move? And then a question may could be, hey man, I saw this move happen and I'm not sure how I could have been a part of that move. Could you please tell me? And that would have been a well structured question, because whenever you're choosing a session, you need to choose the pair, and then you need to see, okay, does this pair even have moves at that time? If it does have moves, like normally it does, then you gotta basically like back test. Whenever you have price moving, you need to take a look at that and ask yourself why. Why is it moving? Why is there volume at this time? Why isn't volume at London Open? Maybe the volume was there at pre-New York, no, pre-London. That's why it's not moving at London Open. How could I have been in a trade? How could I have caught this trade? That would help you much, much more better. And the question about how it took 50,000 to 800,000 is just, I think it's a combination of all the time I spent focusing on, it's very simple, focusing on 1 to 2 trades a day. That's it. 1 to 2 trades a day for the last 3 years, 3.5 years, So I think it was about time I did that. Like you have to believe in yourself that, okay, if you've been consistently disciplined for, let's say, 3 years, 2 years, you would be able to be at that level. Like a lot of time people like, you guys aren't disciplined for even like 3 weeks, not even a month, let alone a full year. So you need to do that. It takes time, just like it takes time for you to graduate university and get a job in 4 years. If you put the same discipline in trading, it's going to get much, much more better. Not to say that just leave university, but just like an example here. All right, let's take a look at pound yen over here. Pound yen daily time frame. Daily is rejecting the same area we rejected on 17th September. Looking on the 4-hour, we are coming down. We've created like a resistance at 151,600. Looking on the 1-hour time frame, now we can adjust this resistance, right? Because this was a wick before. Now we can adjust it. This 1-hour candle is about to close, right? So if it closes, obviously we're creating a support. And now this becomes a range. It's like, oh wow, 46 pip range over here, pretty good. In this range, we have multiple minor ranges. First of all, we have the 30-minute range, which is 22 pips, consolidation, no good. Next, we have above 151,500, like 22 pips. We'll see what happens at that point, but overall, I don't like this at all. Just waiting for gold at this point. Be afraid of the collapse of the volcano Canaria, Spain, face ocean sub-tsunami effects on surfing. Oh, wow, City NY. We got some tsunami coming up in New York. Why don't you like GJ at the moment at all? Is there a reason? Yeah, because it's in a consolidation area here. I mean, the only reason, I would only look at for sells below, let's say 151,200, because then we have clean range going down till 158.50, 36 pips away. Looking on the 1-hour time frame, got a little bit of a rejection here. So this may be a probable target for pound yen to come in, but so far it's just consolidating at this point. There's a minor move above 151,500. I'm not interested in that either because it's like a minor move also on a Friday. Got to be safe on Friday, right? So probably a better move is going to be above 151,700 for price to continue on till 930, 900, around like a 20 pip range over here. Look at this to the left hand side, clean traffic. There's no tsunami coming. I live in Tenerife, next to the island where the volcano is going bananas. Oh wow, all right, there we go. Gold is about to make a move over here. Gold is about to make a move. 15-minute candle has just started. All right. Do we want to buy the top of the break right here? Break the half the 30-minute candle. Keep the stop loss. Oh, gotta get ready. Gotta get ready. All right. Executed a buy right here. As we broke the high of the 30-minute candle. Looking at the 1-hour candle. Oh, this thing is stuck. I don't like when things get stuck. Uh-oh. All right. So I took a buy, a long position right here. Stop loss is below the current 30-minute candle. Expecting price to continue bullish till I'd say like 1758. Should be pretty good right here. Should be pretty good. We can look on the 1-hour time frame. We're breaking above the high. We're continuing bullish. We got 12 minutes left for the candle to close. If this candle closes above 1755, let's say 70, I'm going to stay in this trade. If it closes below 1755.50, I'm going to get out of the trade. Oh, gold chart closed down altogether. All right, where is it? Templates, dark. Okay, here we are. A little bit of a drawdown over here. No big deal. Was that a liquidity grab candle in GJ London? Let's take a look over here. Yeah, it's consolidating here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put like a no trade range. No trade range right here. Never buy the top. That's okay. I think I can risk a little bit from the profits I've made this week. So we'll see. We shall see. Because look, this 1-hour candle, let's take a look at this logically now, right? We had resistance here with this candle closing bearish resistances, right? This 1-hour candle broke the low of the previous 1-hour candle, but the 30-minute candle is still pushing. We've broken the high of the previous bearish candle, and we need price to close above 1755.50. If we close above this area, then there's a high probability that the next 1-hour candle can move up like this, looking something like this. That's all what I'm expecting it to do, you know, but it has to close above 1755.50. Now the question is, should I wait for the price to close, or is this an early entry at this point? That's the question Rakeel is asking Raja Banks. That, yo, Raja, is this an early entry, or should you wait for the 1-hour candle to close? Part of Raja Banks is saying that maybe, well, let's see here. Maybe I think we should give it a chance. We should at least give it a chance. September, let's do this here. Okay, so we're up around 11,000 for the week. This will put the week in negative if this trade goes against us. So do we want to risk a negative week, or should we just risk the entire week's profit and let it run? That is the question. Or should we just go for break even of the week? There's no week. All right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to close half. I'm going to close half right here. There's no magic keys over here. Let me bring it up. All right, so I'm going to use magic keys, and I'm going to press close half. Look at the lot sizes down there. I'm going to press close half. Actually, no, should I keep? Yeah, I'm going to close half. Boom. So I'm going to leave the rest running. So this way, I'm not risking my entire week profits. You know, this way, if price, okay, perfect. If price still hits my stop loss, I'm still going to be up like $4,000 for the week. So it's okay. Awesome. Beautiful risk management. Raja Banks will close another half based on 15 minutes. We'll see. We'll see how this ends up. Are you not concerned about the Wixer left for gold? No, we'll see what happens. I mean, wanted to close above 1755.50. If not, then we're just going to manage risk. So yeah, pound yen is just ranging. Let's take a look at the Chinese indicator here. Could just use hotkeys on the keyboard. Yeah, you can do that, but I prefer to use a separate thing. Okay, pound is weak. Pound is weak. Yen is whatever. Dollar is kind of strong. Maybe it's just gonna wait for Powell. You know, who knows? But technically, I think we still got 8 minutes left, and in those 8 minutes, I think if it can make like a decent push, I think it's gonna be pretty good. Yeah. Not a good entry. You should have waited a little bit. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your comments. Are you bullish on the dollar for the weekly time frame? Am I bullish for the dollar on the weekly time frame? I'm not. I haven't looked at the weekly time frame. I don't look at high time frames or longer term trades. I don't do that. Man, creatine makes you feel hot a little bit. Getting a little hot. Please compare these two charts. Yes, 4-hour candles are different on different brokers, liquidity providers, because different liquidity providers, they open and close at different times, especially when it comes towards 4-hour and daily candles. So, you know, those are the only candles that are going to be a little bit different. All other candles are always going to stay the same. You know, the 1-hour candles, 30-minute candles, normally they all stay the same. Oh. Facebook message. Damn, people who never used to message me are messaging me now. How times change. All right. Let's take a look here. Do you trade US30? No. Whatever happened to Kerwin and the rest? They're still here. Did you take a buy on gold? Yes. I do have a buy running on gold. I managed my risk. You can see right here. I managed my risk. The 15-minute candle is still bullish, which is pretty good. This will be around 7 pips over here. Let's take a look at the small time frame candles, 5-minute candles. Oh yeah, it's okay. I mean, if this 5-minute candle breaks the low of the previous one, I'm going to close 50%, and then I'm going to leave the rest running. Do you know good websites for learning trend lines? I don't know any good websites for learning trend lines. But if you take this trade based on a 4-hour, you'll be in profit 20 pips with 10 pip stops. Oh, nice. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I don't know how to compare them. If you can send a chart of those two charts, then I will take a look at that. I never compare charts. Your trade management is amazing. Thank you. Juma Kareem Mubarak. Juma Mubarak to you too. Do you know it's to wait for proof of price respecting another level? Okay. Some different conversations happening over there. All right, see the 5-minute candle has closed bearish. So I closed another half. I closed another half. So managing risk. You have to manage risk, right? If you don't manage risk, you're never going to be profitable. Some guys think if you manage risk on one day and you end the day, oh, look, the 15-minute candle broke its own low. Boom, close half again. Right? Close half again. Now if this hits the stop loss, I'm gonna lose $1,500. So far in this trade, I've lost like 4,000 out of 11,000. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Why does gold keeps getting stuck on my own platform? Come on. I think they don't want me to trade gold. Wow, look at that. It's coming back in the range. Yeah, I think it's gonna wait for Powell. Do commissions paid to leaderboard following contribute towards 165? No, they have to be done through your independent trading on an account. All right, let's take a look over here. This is 1 hour. We're waiting for a break of the previous 4-hour high. We are in an uptrend, looking for the 15 and 30 minute to set stop loss. That's perfectly fine. I think my entry was a little bit too early. If it's going to continue bullish, ideally should have waited for. Oh yeah, there we go. Now it's moving up over here. I think it had to make a lower wick on the 15-minute time frame. Let's take a look here. We are moving up now. Kind of coming back to break even, but you know, it's okay. All right. भाई हम forex trading कैसे सीखें और कहाँ से सीखें? So the question is, hey bro, where can we learn forex trading, and how can we learn forex trading? The first thing is to go to babypips.com. Yeah, go to babypips.com. How many years did you work at 95 before you were trading? And I actually left my 95. I wasn't doing 95. I was running a business. I haven't done 95 since 20. I would say like 2016. I started trading. I think since 2016, 2015, 14. I think since 2014 I didn't work in 95. 2014, almost going to be 7 years now. 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, 7 years. Haven't worked in 95. 7 years. I think it's a blessing. I don't even know how to work in 95 now. I don't even know how to follow orders now if someone gives me orders. Shish. Screw that. How old are you? 34. GJ coming down? No, it's at support. It's not coming down. There's a big difference in price moving down and price coming to a support. Huge difference. Look at this. Gold is coming back up again with this hour close. Now, don't you think, just by looking at this 1 hour candle, that gold's going to continue pushing bullish? Don't you think so? I think so. I think so. Where's the stop going to be? I think it should be based on the 15-minute time frame, right? Below the 15-minute candle. Let's adjust this. Yeah, it's already adjusted here. Below the 15-minute candle. Tighten it a little bit more. Okay, what's this? Took the trade on gold buy. Stop loss was 50. However, managed the risk. Closed the trade at USD2 loss. We'll see if I get another setup if the 30-minute candle closes above. Yeah, I think it should continue up. Can you see my comment or no? Yes, I can. I paid on your website. Okay, so it's going to take around 24 to 48 hours. Yeah, 30-minute candles closing bullish, 1 hour candles closing bullish. 1 hour is the important one over here. If you can just ignore the 15-minute and only focus on the 1 hour candle, it's going to take you to the promised land. You know, also then understand that this should not break the low of the previous 15-minute candle. And just continue up, up, up. Oh, wow, there we go. Look at that. Better not get too excited, as this is the start of the 1 hour candle. It can very well come down to, you know, make a liquidity wick. All right. See here. Pound yen. Oh, pound yen is breaking down over here. 1 hour candle. Yeah, I don't like this. I may want to see it's breaking down in the first few minutes. Pound yen with a lot of volume. I'd want it to make a top wick first and then continue on down. Yeah, that's what I would want. Roger, doesn't Anthony World not work on your nerves? No, it doesn't. Silicon Valley, Valley of the Cool Babes refers to the hub of the high tech. I don't know what the hell's this guy's going on. Just closed, lost $5,000 in just 5 minutes. Why don't you give away some thousands of free dollars? Well, there's nothing in the world free. Nothing's free in the world. You gotta basically admit that. Do you invest in real estate? Yeah, somewhat. All right, there we go. Yeah, these little profits aren't gonna cover the trade loss I closed over here, but still gonna get me something, you know, so still pretty okay. Pretty okay so far, mate. 66, oh, 8 pip profit over here. Wow, this is running over here now. Oh, damn. I think whoever held, you guys had a good trade over here on gold. Yeah, should have let the whole thing run. $1,400. Was a pretty good analysis though anyway. Let's see if we can continue till 60 pips, 1762. Put stops at break even right here, and that's it. Yeah, so I got stops at break even now and just gonna let it run for the rest of the NY session and see how far we go. Social media is so irritating. Social media is it depends on what you use social media for. Depends. If you use it to, let's say, envy people or get irritated by people, then you're not using it the right way, right? You should use it for influencing people. You should use it to promote things. You should use it to, you know, share information, give value, because this way you have access to a lot of people, you know. So that's what I do with social media. You should use it to influence and help people. Would you ever go back to a London session? No, sir. Just vaccine are free because it will harm you. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think this was a very, very good analysis. I think I closed the trade in haste. Shouldn't have done that. Should have let it run. Yeah, I think we should get to 1758. Do you still smoke? No, I don't smoke at all. You should have waited for the 15-minute lower wick. No, it's still, yeah, it is what it is, you know, but it's still in this trade. What did you smoke? Weed? I don't smoke. It's ironic how social media was made to connect people, but it ended up making people feel alone and depressed. No one's alone and depressed. I'm not alone and depressed. Social media, I have so many friends on social media, man. Come on, what are you talking about? Do you use leverage? Yes. I do use leverage. Take some juice, Raja. I did take some juice. I had some creatine. And yeah, so far just watching gold over here. I mean, what else can we do? I want to join you in Zoom group, and I want to learn your course as well. May I know how can talk to? Well, Mr. Prashant, you are already talking to me, and whatever you want to do, the information is in front of you. I'm offering to mod since there are lots of spam. We do have moderators. I think they're on holiday today. Why you're not in crypto? Because I lost a lot of money in crypto. I lost like 100,000, 150,000 on crypto. Had money in a Quadriga exchange, and they basically fucked off. Basically, a lot of money over there. You make 50,000 a trade, vacates in Dubai, and wear Rolex. How can you be depressed? Having, I know a lot of people. I know a lot of people with a lot of money who are depressed. I don't make 50,000 a trade. I don't do vacations in Dubai every time. This was just a family vacation, you know. Having money is not going to make you happy. Trust me on that. Having money, like, what are you going to do with this money? Okay, so I got, what's this? I got what? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got $100 right here, right? What can $100 do for me? What can it do for me? What? You gotta find you gotta find contentment on the inside. This is where you find contentment. You know, I know people who don't have anything and they're happy. They're happier than people who have money. You know, this is just a big fallacy that people with money are the happiest people in the world. No, they're not. No, they're not. I find happiness because I have enough to feed people. That's what keeps me happy. So you got to find what's going to keep you happy. You know, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to just help people. That's why I came. That's one of the reasons I came to Pakistan, so I can help my people over here. You know, there are laborers here who work all day long, and I just look at them. I'm like, shit, man. They make like what, 1,000 rupees a day, 1,500 rupees a day, like $10 a day, and once a week, if I can feed them, I think that's that. I don't know, man. That's pretty good. So you gotta know what your goals are with money. You can't just say, hey, I'm sad and need money. No, you don't have any goals. Why? Can you explain why you don't take GGSLs? I don't take GGSLs because there's a minor support over here, and the 30-minute, I don't know, I'm too wary of this support right here. I want this candle to close, this 15-minute candle to close, and then I'll see what happens. I've been rich and poor. I'll take rich any day. Thank you very much. That's true. I think all what money does, we had this conversation yesterday too, all what it does is that it's your ability to pay your bills. You know, that's it. That's about it. Oh yeah, it got stopped over there. So far, yeah, it's okay. Finishing the week at $6,900 profit. Pretty good. There were no 50,000 trades over here. Yeah, still okay. Took all 150. Yeah. All right, let's take a look at this chart. This is gold. This area fake out will be one of the confirmation to buy above 1760. Okay, above 1760. This is what I'm looking on gold. Maybe sells below this area. Okay, yeah, that makes sense as well. Can I monitor your chat, bro? Waleed Hassan, Waleed Saab, कर देते हैं जी, आपको मॉडरेटर बना देते हैं इधर. चलें भी, आपको बना दिया जी मॉडरेटर. अब good luck everyone. Waleed is there with his big bandook now. Right. Do you like spaghetti bolognese? No, I don't like that. Guys who wait on money to get girls is sad. Yeah. Any special tips for beginners? Yes, 1 or 2 trades a day. Best tip I can give you, 1 or 2 trades a day. If you're doing to be depressed, be as rich as possible. Money can't buy happiness, but it can afford better experiences. That's, I mean, yeah. Just be passionate at what you do. That's it. Be passionate at what you do, and you're gonna. There are people making millions building homes, millions doing copywriting. They're making millions doing web design. They're making millions trading, millions teaching. There are people making millions doing something. I mean, these people who make these magic keys for us, they're making millions. And I mean, we're about to hit 1 million in sales of these magic keys. We're at about $800,000 in sales on magic keys. We're about to hit 1 million. So, you know, trading is not just one way to make money. Magic keys is a way to make money. There's someone who's making a lot of money making these trays, you know, making these glasses. Someone's making a lot of money. So you really gotta know what your passion is, what you really, oh wow, look at that. Good thing I had stops at break even. Damn, would have been in drawdown at this point. Will you gift me a Rolex too? It's an expense. No. This watch was just a congratulations to myself, like a trophy. To me, it's a trophy. It's a trophy watch. I reached a personal goal, and that was a trophy for myself from me. It wasn't because, hey guys, look, I got it. No, no, it was a personal goal. If you look at all my watches are less than $1,000. All of them are like less than $1,000. I got a $30 watch as well. I got a $30 watch. I got a Samsung smartwatch. I got a Casio $200 watch. I got a watch I bought from China where they charge $10 to engrave the inside dial. Yeah, I know, Byron. GJ will break the low in the 15-minute. Do you want to see the 30-minute? Yeah, I'd rather want the 15-minute candle to close. You know, I'm okay. I'm okay in letting this candle move if it moves, but I'd rather watch this 15-minute candle close. This tray actually was a gift to me. It just came in the mail. It came in the mail like an hour ago. Yeah, it came in the mail an hour ago. I'd rather cry in my Lambo to streets. Yeah, trust me. Maybe a helicopter. Maybe not a Lambo, but a helicopter. Helicopter would be nice. Cry in a helicopter. If you start training your kids to trade now, by the time they're 18, they'll make 5% a day with their eyes closed. Actually, I took this advice from Gary Vee. I took this advice from Gary Vee 2 years ago, and the advice was to have your children as a like a second person on your credit card. So that's what I did. We put my son as the authorized user on the credit cards, on my credit card. So whatever I spend on my credit card, his credit is being built. You know, and right now I don't know where that is, but you know, it's being built. Wherever I go, I just spend that card. You know, so he's an authorized user on that card as well. So by the time he's 18 and he decides to go back to Canada, he's gonna have fucking amazing credit. Took this advice from Gary Vee. Do you teach your children how to trade? No, no. He's probably gonna break the magic keys or whatever. Hey, I've been watching you for 1 year. Took the best advices from you. Awesome, man. Okay, so we got 1 minute left here for the 15-minute candle to close. For the 15-minute candle to close, whatever I do now, I do by keeping my kids in my mind. Whatever I do, whatever it is, you know. It's pain in my foot for some reason. I got athlete's foot. When you turn 18, you gift him whatever he wants? No. I'm not the kind of person who's going to give their kids whatever they want. They'll have to earn it. I have a whole plan. I'm going to put them through sales. If they can make it through sales, they can do anything in the world. Because the entire economies you look at, the entire economy is run on guys who can sell. You know, if you can sell something, you're making the whole company run. You know, look at Apple. What does Apple do? Selling. They sell. They sell, they make money, they innovate. Amazon, they sell. Anything, everyone. You know, I hated sales. Yeah, I loved sales. Sales is okay. 15-minute candle has closed. 30-minute candle is breaking the low. Yeah, I think if this 15-minute candle can break the low at 151, let's say 110, we can continue pushing bearish. 23 pip range over here. Clean traffic here down till 159.00. Yeah, makes sense. Lately, I've had this weird feeling in my head. It's like full of smoke. I stopped smoking weed for like a few months and it's still there. It really bothers my trading sometimes, even though everything goes disciplined. Do you have any advice to that? It's awful. You need to substitute that weed smoking with something else. You know, start working out. Start working out. I work out heavy now. I don't go without a day when I'm not working out. I work out every day. Every day. So you got to substitute that weed smoking with something else. So work out, you know, ride a bicycle, skip rope, whatever. Do you going to take this trade? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. It's making a topic right now. If it breaks the low at like 151, 110, I may want to take this trade. Are you giving free calls? No, I'm not giving free calls. Every call I give, it's $50, and that's going to be, ooh, what the hell? What the hell, gold? Damn. Damn. Opposite move. Wow. Yeah, I'm away from gold right now. I'm not gonna touch it. आप कनाडा जाओगे वापस या परमानेंटली पाकिस्तान शिफ्ट हो गए? अगर आप मुझे घर ले दोगे इधर तो मैं परमानेंटली शिफ्ट हो गया हूँ इधर. $50 for a call? Yes. So $50 will be deducted from your account automatically if you execute on a call that's given here in the live stream. Wow, man. Crazy. Crazy. Daily candle is going to make a lower wick? I don't know. That's way too far away. That's like, what? Damn, that's like $10 away. But who knows, man. Gold can do whatever it wants. Wow. Crazy. The 30-minute candle is also about to close. So we'll see how it closes. Insane. Yeah. Getting ready for Powell over here. Gold is literally getting ready for Powell. Gold is putting on makeup, straightening its hair, and all that stuff to get ready for Powell. Like, okay, daddy, let me get ready. Athlete's foot. Yeah, it's crazy. There's a company. Oh, it's not. Yeah, this is some big ass move over here. Big move. It's like at least, how much dollar? 56 or 52? $40 move. $40, $50 move. Don't know if it's funnier to watch your live streams or your Instagram. Alright, yeah, pound yen is still waiting over here. We're still waiting for pound yen. So we'll see if we make a top wick to continue down. Do you think if GJ creates this top wick and then breaks its own low, that would be a good entry? Yes, I think so. I think so. I'm probably going to be executing at that. Appreciate the tools he has on the YouTube, but not paying $50 for a phone call. Respect the hustle. That was a joke. I'm out of the gulag. Welcome, welcome. Out of the gulag, Stephen. Very nice. Take care, everyone. Trade carefully. Respect your risk management. Yeah, man, it's a Friday. It's a Friday, so don't go overboard on a Friday. Do not go overboard on a Friday. You're going to regret it. Trust me on that. It's a big regret when you go overboard on a Friday. Got to stay very humble on a Friday on your account. Got to stay humble with your emotions. Got to keep everything in check. I'm not gonna try to, like, you know, I'm up in profits for the week. I'm not gonna try to destroy all those profits. Do you have a separate room for trading? No, man. In my room, my whole family sleeps in this room. We also just got a dog and sleeps in this room. As you can see right here, we got a big bed at this point right here. We have a big bed. We have a see this seat right there? That's where we all sleep. Right there. So this room is always busy at this point. There's another room right over there is where we, like, you know, change and stuff like that. But that's where we all sleep, on that stool right there. It's called the mura. And then there's another one actually, and there's the printer where we do all the printing and the newspaper work. So yeah, I don't have a separate room for trading. The toilet? No, there's no toilet. We got a window. You got a window right here. Oh, where do we take a bath? Hold on. This is the most hilarious thing you will see. Where do we take the bath? I don't know if I can even show you this over here. Is it possible I can show you? Hold on. I can't, but there's a bathtub right in the balcony there. There's a bathtub in the balcony. Oh man. All right, got 7 minutes left for this candle to close. Honestly, there's a bathtub in the balcony. I'm going to show you guys later on. Let's see if I can show you guys from here, because this is the most hilarious thing. Hold on. Give me 1 moment, please. All right. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, so far we're just waiting over here now. Oh, there I am right there. Later. Okay, how do you flip this camera? How do you flip this camera over? Yeah, I don't know how to flip this camera, man. Oh, like this. Okay, perfect. Alright. Look at this. So that's the Mura right there. Obviously, where we all sleep. That's our bed right there. This is the printer. We print our newspapers. We can sell every morning. And then when the day is nice, we take a bath right there with our nice view from the balcony. Yeah, it's clean today. It's a good day today. Holy. Yeah. Yeah, when it's hot, it becomes a hot tub. When it's hot, it's a hot tub. Oh my days. Where's the servant's cage? It's upstairs on the roof. Alright, so still waiting for this low to break over here, 151, 110. If you can break below 151, 110, I think it's going to be amazing move over here below this area. Oh, Grace Essen is going wild over here with the lines. Oh, gotta stop it. Stop it, Grace Essen. Oh, here comes more lines. Before he starts throwing dicks, we gotta stop this guy. Alright. Okay, no break, no trade. Gold is about to close in 5 minutes over here. What's this guy? Abhinav Srivastava. Yeah, we gotta ban this guy over here. We gotta ban this guy. Some cheap comments coming from this guy from India. Hide user on this channel. Alright, sorry, I will take the same sales if they happen, so it's going to be a loss. It's not going to be a loss, man. Be positive. Be positive. Look, if this candle can close like a weak bullish candle and the next one can break this low, we're coming all the way down. Got to be positive, you know, and that's going to be a very, very good trade at that point. Don't mention country, bro. I will mention whatever I want. You're on my stream. If you don't like it, you can go to Wali Baba. He's also good. Some consider economic racism and protectionism, impulse fascism, guns. The problem is that the structure of the market-based distrust is wrong. Yeah, I think the dude used all his English over there. There are good and bad people everywhere. That's true. Difference of premium and free use of trading view. I think the gulag is the perfect example of where people come in for free and the comments we read versus the comments we get in Zoom. Big difference. What if he is not from? Yeah, well, what if he is? Raja, which way you trail stop and swing one trade? I trail my stops below and above the 30-minute time frames. Yeah, below and above the 30-minute time frames. Oh wow, yeah, giving no opportunity over here for price to continue down. Below 151. Oh, what's this? Mr. Chartered Accountant is on a sell on GJ. You're a smart guy, man. Chartered accountants, you guys are smart people. Why are you selling with no confirmation? Come on. Come on, man. Why? Do you like your ranges big and bouncy or small? I like my ranges to be big and no bounce, just a straight move. The people in Zoom feeling special, absolutely. Don't pollute his stream, he will start charging the gulag. You know what? I've decided 3 times I'm going to charge you guys, and all 3 times I decided not to. So this is the last straw. If you guys don't get your shit together, I'm going to start charging everyone. I've said it 3 times in the past 2 years, 3 times. This is going to be the last one. I just got my CFA, arguably much harder than accountant. Oh wow. Arguably much harder than accountant. Look for clients who make a lot of money and try to save them taxes, man. My accountant I have, he's super straight. He goes by the book. He doesn't want to go left and right. He doesn't want to go into the gray areas of accountancy, but he's a good guy. Sir, the way 1 hour GJ candle made, do you trust? I don't trust anything. I don't trust this candle the way it's moving. Look, there's no low break over here. We don't know each other. Imagine that I put my trust in you and you betray me. So is the market evolution stabilizing? No confidence. Excuse me. Raja, I appreciate you. Thank you. Have a bubble bath and relax. Yeah, it's kind of windy outside right now, so I can't have no bubble baths. You're the best. Your knowledge is amazing. What I've learned from you is me winning. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. All right, 1 minute left over here. Can I take a sell on gold? No. No, 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 no. No, can't. Stop, it's going to be too big. The range is right here. Are you going to visit Philippines? Philippines. Philippines. COVID restrictions? Yeah, I think we can visit Philippines. Philippines. Requirements. Yeah, I think we can visit to Philippines. I don't need a visa, but yeah, I think it's doable. Why do you have a bathtub outside? Because we didn't have any place to put it, so we put it in the terrace. As I showed you guys, we have one bed over there, the small round one where we all sleep. So I didn't have any space. And someone is going to take a bath. It's going to be in privacy. Does it snow in your area? No, not in my area, but in the northern parts it snows. Can you check USD CAD? All right, let's take a look at USD CAD. What's the time right now? I gotta go in like half an hour here. $4:30. Okay, USD CAD. USD CAD. Come to Nigeria. Okay, perfect. We shall make our way to Nigeria as well one of these days. All right, weekly candle is bearish here, rejecting. Oh, big rejection over there. Daily candle is bullish, rejecting a support possibly. 4-hour candle is also rejecting some sort of a support down at 1.26430. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, we are consolidating. We're at a resistance. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, We are at a resistance here. We are also at a support. Well, I think it's just consolidating, just like on gold. Obviously gold. Yeah, obviously gold moved down, but essentially, USD CAD with that is also consolidating. I think we're all waiting for Powell to speak over here. I mean, I'm waiting for Powell to speak. I'll see what kind of an effect he has on the markets, but yeah, USD CAD, you'll need to see a break above 1.26950 or even above 1.27. And then you have clean candles to the left hand side. Let's see. Do you suggest to watch TED videos on Forex Family? Yes. Hey, Raja, do you recommend backtesting software effects and only moving to small account once you're actually profitable? Yes. Started my backtest in 2019. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. You should do backtesting, but I guess don't spend too much time in backtesting. I used to only do like maybe 1 hour, 2 hours of backtesting every week. Now I've cut down to maybe like, 1 full week of backtesting twice a month. But every time when you do backtesting, you are actually learning something. So I would still encourage people to do backtesting. With simulators, it's still good. You have the software FX that's also pretty good. Do you not use volume? No, I don't use volume at all. Volume profiles. Volume profiles, they only work if... Oh, okay, here we go. Volume profiles don't really work. I mean, they only show you the volume of the previous candle, right? So you need to see the volume of the current candle. So if this candle breaks the low of the previous candle, I think there's an opportunity for price to continue bearish. We got like a 24 pip range. My house is open and I know my confidence that you will only switch to communication without stealing anything from me. That's true. Been trading one pair for more than 2 years now. Volatility 25s and also very rewarding. Just wondering what caused you to add a second pair. What caused me to add gold to my arsenal was because my friends traded gold. So I thought it'll be fun to trade gold with them. Do you like cricket? No. Can you suggest a good backtesting software? Software FX. Really, really good. Yeah. Look at this 15-minute candle. We closed above 1752 over here at this point. Close above 1752. Very tough. What are you going to do? Have to wait for Powell. Do you really give away magic keys for mini markets? Yes. Any guests today? No. Do you like to play Dota 2? Yes. Mr. Komorebi, what time is Powell on? Not on Forex Factory. I think you need to use your reading glasses or whatever the hell is going on over there. Forex Factory says it's going to be at 10 a.m. Eastern. I don't know what's going on. It's inspiring to remember when you wouldn't touch gold to grow to being really good at it. Weekly, yes. You need to grow. You need to take risks. Weekly on gold is flipping. Yeah, I mean... Yeah, it is flipping bearish here. Daily is also bullish. Ideally, on the 4 hour, it's still very bearish. Wow, getting sleepy here today. So boring here. Also, it's Friday. Do you also draw and look at daily and weekly zone? Yes. Sometimes, but today we're only focused on the 1 hour and the 30-minute. Yeah, very boring here today. Gold is also trying to come down. We'll need to see a break below 1750 to price to really see what we can do at this point. But ideally, just going to wait for Powell here today. All right, I'll be right back. Powell time has changed. He's speaking tomorrow. Oh, really? Is he speaking tomorrow? No, he's not. What do you mean? Did he call you and tell you? He's speaking today. Yeah, he speaks today. There's probably another speech tomorrow. Probably. All right. Nothing happening here so far. Let's check out Wali Baba. We need some entertainment over here.
Looks good, man. But where's the muffler?
I guess I should do a web.
ना सीख जाओ, फिर देखो आप कैसे आपके अकाउंट ग्रो होते हैं। हौसला करो, हिम्मत करो, स्टॉप लॉस जो है वो हिट करवाने की ताकत पैदा करो अपने अंदर।
He's like, grow some power to have your stop loss hit.
वो बता के चलती है मार्केट हमको।
Once you learn trading,
याद रखिएगा।
your account will grow.
मैं क्यों कहता हूँ?
His
ये
account is still at
बोलती है।
1600.
इसकी जबान को समझो।
Understand the language of the market.
समझो।
Understand the way it
कहता हूँ कि
moves.
नहीं, आज नहीं, ये पहली स्ट्रीम से कहता हुआ मैं आ रहा हूँ।
Since the first stream, I've been
क्या
saying
कहा
it.
था, ये चाल मैं आपको बताऊँ।
Learn to read the charts.
सिखा नहीं दिया आपको। बता
Haven't I
देगा।
shown you?
क्या
Haven't I
इसकी
told
चाल है?
you
क्या
how it
ये
moves?
क्या कह रही है?
What
ये
the market is
बोलती
saying?
है,
Haven't I
क्या
told
बोल
you?
रही है?
The market says something. Ask yourself, what's it saying?
अभी भी परेशान हो।
You're still worried?
क्या कहते हैं? कोका कोला।
What do we say? Coca-Cola. Drink Coca-Cola.
ये हो गया। बोल रही है मैं ऊपर जाऊंगी।
It's saying I will go up.
मैं नीचे जाऊंगी।
From here it's saying I'll go down.
मेरा
Then it
कभी
said,
तकरीर मूड ऊपर
no,
जाने का है।
my mood is to go up more. And it goes up more.
यहाँ पे क्या बोल रही है? ये ट्रेड है। मैं नीचे जा।
Alright, you see guys are breaking above over here now. Oh wow, look at that. Probably an impulse entry at this point. Above 1.27. Very strong level over here, 1.27. I shot a music video for a rapper. Check it out. Type in Hood Rich Pablo. Oh wow, look at that. It's a proper impulse entry over here. Clean traffic through the left hand side. Should be pretty good.
जाऊंगी ब्रेक इन। मैं ऊपर। फिर ये आके से मशवरा भी देती है। वली बाबा के पास जाओ। उसको मैं।
Okay. Hood Rich Pablo. Oh wow, 1.2 million. Damn. All blue racks. This is probably copyright music, man. Now you... Shit. I had to play this. I had to play this music. Kind of explicit. No, it's amazing. I'm probably gonna play it in my car here later on or in the gym. All right, the NY Open is about to start in 15 minutes. Hopefully we can break below 151, 120 for price to continue pushing bearish. But so far, it's whatever. Have to wait for NY Open here now. Here's cheers to some Tang. Wow. We had two 30-minute candles push bullish. This was a full 13 pips over here, minus spread around 12 pips, 11 pips. Full 12, 13 pips. USD JPY. Where else can we go from here? Looking to the left hand side. Okay. We got some clean range here till 110,680. This whole full candle over here. How big is this range? 11 pips over here. Not much, to be honest. What is that headset? It's I honestly don't know. I got it on sale. I honestly forget. But it's a very good one. It was for about, I think, like 180 bucks, something like that. All right, we're coming down over here now. 1750. Powell has not changed its time. It's still here. Yeah, it's still here, 10 a.m. I think he's speaking tomorrow as well. Yeah, he's speaking tomorrow as well. William is speaking tomorrow at 7 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, we'll see how Pound Yen acts towards NY Open. Did you get your Toyota Land Cruiser? No, it's too expensive. Is it Steel Series? Yes, these ones are Steel Series. So yeah, let's see here. This is Dubai Forex Expo. Dubai Forex Expo. Dubai Forex Expo. I wonder if I can go over there. I wonder if I can make it to this expo. Should be interesting. 5 days, 3 hours. Oh, it starts in 5 days. Okay. Interesting. 5,000 plus traders, 100 plus brokers, 70 plus speakers. Crazy. Guest speakers, head of training and marketing, Arbex, multi-bank group. I actually applied to be a speaker at this event, but I wasn't sure at that time if I'm really gonna go, to this expo. And then I pulled out. Orbex, B2B broker. Oh, we got a lot of speakers over here. What happens at these expos? It's just like it's a big event where people can come on in and like, you know, they talk about, I mean, it's an expo with traders come along, brokers come over there, they advertise what they have, what they do, stuff like that. I heard Daniel Savage is going to be speaking at this expo as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm just here to motivate you. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I mean, look at all this gold sponsors over here. Yeah, they sent me a list. They sent me a list of the pricing. Let me see if I can get that list over here. They sent me a list of pricing. Let's see here. Expo. Can I find that list? No, I can't. No, I can't find that list. You know what I'm saying? I can't. But they sent me a list. They sent me a list of all the pricing. What's it gonna cost to be, let's say, a sponsor over here or over here, over here, over here, over here. But I guess Dominion Markets was too young at that time to do that. Oh, they got Vantage FX over there too. Do they have Black Bull? Is Black Bull gonna be there? Black Bull, Black Bull. Probably not. Yeah, Black Bull isn't. Oh, Diamond sponsors. These guys paid big money. XNES, XM, XTB, Naga. Oh, Naga trading also there. Yeah, it should be pretty good. I mean, if I can make it to this event, I think it's going to be pretty cool. All right. Buy the bundle. What happened to your drone stock investment? Is it in green? I honestly, I forgot the password to that account. Yeah, I forgot the password to that Wealth Simple account. I think you need to reset the password. There's like $6,000 in there. Yeah, I forgot the password. I'll have to relog in and see what's going on with that drone stock. I even had some stocks in Tesla too. Nothing big, very, very small. Let's see here. Expo Community Outreach Seminar. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if I can make my way over there or not. Register now. What am I registering at? Enter my first name. Raja. Phone number. It's funny how the first number comes up is India. Is the organizers from India? This is hilarious. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, gold is coming down to 1750. We're about 7 minutes away from NY Open. Does Dominion Markets have demo trade account? Yes. I wonder when people say Forex is haram, but most speakers in the event would be Muhammad's. Yes. I think Modi making moves. Modi is making moves, man. Gold is melting. Gold is coming down. Is XM a good broker? I don't know. What do you think about Black Bull Market, Raja? I am escaping 1 to 30 leverage here in Australia. I think they're pretty good. I think they're good. They're okay. I got an excellent strategy, but it gives very rare opportunities. Would it be realistic? If it gives rare opportunities, I think your winning opportunities are going to be very rare too. How's the Fortuner? Toyota Fortuner, amazing car. Amazing, amazing, amazing car. You got a Toyota Fortuner in Pakistan. You got like the top of the line cars here, man. Amazing, amazing car. What do you think about Trudeau winning in Canada again? I don't give two fucks about Trudeau in Canada now. Oh, by the way, Rolex gave me a 5-year warranty. And I said, oh, I thought this was a lifetime warranty. They're like, no, it's 5 years. I'm like, oh, okay. And then I asked him, okay, so what's the special on the price? And he said, well, we can give you 5%. I'm like, man, 5% is nothing. Just go talk to somebody who can really move the price a little bit. And then they gave me 7% off. And then they gave me 7% off, and then they said, well, on customs you can get 5%, your tax back too. I'm like, oh, perfect. So in total I got like 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12% off on the watch. Yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty happy. How much was for the Rolex? It wasn't expensive. It was like 17,000. It wasn't like a big expensive one. It was like a $17,000. Gold sells below 1750.30. Yeah, looks good. Below this area, we can break below. Looks good. NY Open is about to start in 5 minutes, so we'll see. Is it a day date? No, it's I don't know what that is. I have no idea. It was just a Rolex, and that's the only one they had, 41mm. Yeah, for a watch, 17,000 on like a luxury watch, 17,000. I think that's okay. My budget was like 15,000 to 20,000, so it came into that area. Would wait to close below 70.30, execute when it breaks below. I'll wait. I'll wait for price to kind of like break below 1749.90. We got like 4 minutes left for NY Open, so I'd rather wait for that. Pound yen has also made a move up, and now it's coming down towards support, so we'll have to wait. I got an Apple Watch for like 600, and I'm like, damn, that's a man. Trust me, people, there are big levels, man. I mean, look at this. Jacob and Co watches are like $500,000, $200,000, like crazy expensive. Got my dream watch. Wow, this guy got his dream watch at $827,000. Jesus. Man, when you got money to blow, I mean, me spending 17,000 on a watch was like whatever, There are guys spending hundreds and thousands of watches and saying, it's whatever. So you got to just think and just imagine the amount of disposable cash they have. You know, those are the guys with a lot of money. I don't have a lot of money. Fuck, man. There are people above me who got way much more money. Way more money. What's the dream? What's the name of the car you mentioned, and where is it made? It's called Toyota Fortuner. All right, we got 2 minutes left here. People buying Chinese copies for YouTube? No, man. That's a small person mentality right there. That's a small person mentality. Trust me, people have money to spend. If you don't have it to spend, you can't just say everything that they get is fake. You know, can't say that. The world is a huge, huge place. It's a very big place. And there are people with a lot of disposable income in the world. Okay, look at this gold. Gold coming down. We got 2 minutes left here for the candle to close. It has already moved too much on its 1 hour candle time frame. We broke the low, continued down to 1750. I was joking. I don't know. But yeah, it's okay. Wow, look at that move. Crazy move down on a Friday, just watching it move. Amazing. Yeah, USD CAD also broke above this area at 1.27 and now it's on its way. Clean candles to the left hand side. APs and Pateks are hard to get. Yeah, we went to the Audemars store and they basically told us to fuck off. I went in there and I'm like, hey, I'm looking for an Audemars, and for that my budget was like 30,000, 35,000. And he's like, yeah, but you need to have a purchase history. I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, you need to have purchased a watch before, like a expensive watch. I'm like, oh, okay. So basically they said, hey, we can't sell you a watch. And he's like, even if we had a watch, we wouldn't be selling it to you. I'm like, in my head, I'm like, oh shit, you know, basically told me to just fuck off, you know, and he just left. And then went to the Patek store and they basically said the same thing. They're like, yeah, they're all booked. And I was like, God damn, man, like, people really spending this much. Yeah, man, watch game is serious. Watch game is serious. I learned that. Watch game is serious. I went to the Rolex store in Dubai Mall. Every men's watch was sold out. Every men's watch was sold. They had nothing. They're like, we have this rainbow Rolex. This was for around 80,000. And he's like, it's sold out. You can't buy it. So I'm like, damn, people are spending money over here. Hublot was the only one who had all the watches. And people roasted me on the Hublot, so I didn't go for that. All right, there we go. NY Open. I'd want to take a sell below 151, 110 on pound yen. 151, 110. Right here. This would be a very good entry for price to continue down. Yeah, the guy said you need to have a purchase history in Audemars, and I'm like, how the hell am I supposed to have a purchase history when you're not going to even let me buy one? You know, so someone said it right. That's like telling an 18-year-old you need experience for a job. And the guy looked at me, he's like, yeah, but that's the policy. I'm like, what the fuck? But yeah, they're pretty serious. All right, looking to sell below 151, 120. Gold closed with no wick at the bottom, 30-minute, 1 hour time frame. That means no trade. Oh, here we go. About to break below. All right, taking a sell right here on pound yen. Oh, need to come down a little bit more. Gotta go with 25. Oh shit. Moving pretty quick. Stops above the current candle. Anticipating it to continue pushing down. Yeah. In it. In it to win it, man. Got a little late over here. Should have taken it around 121. Took it at like 151, 100. Oh, nice. 4 pips up over here. Pretty good. 5 pips. Since it's a Friday, going to secure it at around 10 pips, something like that. Yeah, we'll see how far we get. $151 even would be a good target. 151 would be a good target. So let's see if we can come down to 151. If we can actually come down to 151. Can you tell us your knowledge and experience you have on real estates? I have no knowledge and experience on real estates. All I know is to buy property and to rent it out. That's all I know about property. Just buy it. And stop wasting money, man. That's all I know. Just buy property. That's it. Stop wasting money. This is your first trade, sir. Second trade. The first one was gold. Had a gold buy. So this is a second trade. What's the next watch you would want to buy? Oh, that's a very hard question. I don't even know. I want to borrow capital to build a few new units on my property. Yes, that's a very, very good idea. All right, let's take a look at this, right? So price went in profits. It's coming back up to break even, coming back to entry point. If it goes in negative, I'm going to close 50%. Yeah, I'm going to close 50% at that point. If it goes back in negative. What is your real estate price earning ratio or support for any investment? Oh, I don't have a portfolio right now. I don't have any portfolio right now on real estate. Not right now. I'm trying to put something in land, but I'm still undecided on that. All right, close 50% right there. Actually gonna close another 50% since it's a Friday, so don't want to risk too much so far. So this will be the next prize for me if I reach my next goal. Probably in about 4 years, 5 years, something like that. It's pretty expensive, man, this one. This one right here. Patek Philippe with a dark dial. Dark dial, like a black or a gray dial. This is going to be the next one. But it's for about 40,000 pounds, man. Very, very, very expensive here. Extremely expensive. 40,000 pounds. How do I see profits and pips gained on MT5? An MT5. Chrono 24 has literally watched for sale. Yeah, I'd rather buy brand new. So, like this one I bought from Chrono. This is a roamer. My grandfather used to have roamer, so that's why I got this. It's a pretty nice one. 600 bucks. Okay. What do you think about Weekend? I have no idea. How can you get magic keys from Nepal? You need to order one. Okay, so for your MT5 question, you just right click, you go to profit, and you change it money. It shows you money. Right click, go to profit, change to points, it shows you points. I have a question. My analysis backtest is all good, but when I go to take trade, I can't because of emotions. If you can't take a trade because of emotions, You got to execute. Look, I execute here all the time on the live streams. You know, sometimes winning trades, sometimes losing trades. It is what it is. But you really do gotta execute. All right, I'm gonna leave in about 7-8 minutes. Gotta go to a wedding here later on. Yeah, really looking forward for it to continue pushing bearish. I mean, if it does continue pushing bearish, I think we can get that move fair and square. So we'll see. Struggling, really struggling over here to stay bearish. How is the gold trade? Gold trade, I closed. Closed at a minor loss on gold. Oh, here it is. Found it. This is way too much than I expected it to be. This one right here. This is exactly, this would be another prize if I can reach the goals I want to reach. Look at this. Crazy. Black dial, gold, insane. So nice. Look how good it's gonna look on my hand. My hand is a little darker than that, but very dark. 250,000. That's way too much. Shit, man. Way too much. How are you supposed to get one if they won't sell you without having one? I don't know what their deal is, but we'll see what happens. The original one was sold in auction for 18 million. Wow. Alright, we got 5 minutes left for the 15-minute candle to close. And with that candle close, the stream is going to close, and I'm going to let these cells run over here. Risking about $400. Already closed around $84 negative. And then I think I'm going to end the week with like what? 6,000 in profit? Pretty good, right? There's no future of gold. There's no future of what? There's no future of gold. Yeah, I gotta disagree with that. There's a lot of future of gold, man. Buy a Lambo instead. Why? Lambos are not important. I mean, all you guys gotta get this out of your head. Lambos. Why not a family car? Why not a Ferrari, you know, or why not something else? Just go rent one. You know, we rented a Bentley, and then yeah, it was pretty fun. But the upkeep is a lot, and I'm all sorts of saving money. I'm not gonna. Yeah, watches are better investments than a Lambos. You're paying monthly maintenance cost, oil change is a cost. Shit, man. When it comes to me spending money, my soul starts shaking. My soul starts shaking like, whoa, I almost got a panic attack when it comes to, oh, I just got to spend money. Shit, man. You know how... You can rent them out or use them for music videos. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I think I have a very nice car. Toyota Fortuner. This is what I have. Very, very nice car. Toyota Fortuner. This car I have in black with a Lexus body kit. Yes. Yes, this one. This is what I got. This one. Very, very, very nice car. Extremely nice car. After the Durango, Durango was nice. This is also nice. Oh, this is a real Lexus. Mr. V8, yeah, V8 was fun. V8 was fun. People saying no future in gold since 2000 BC. 2000 BC, yeah, they're all banchodes, you know? No future in gold. They don't understand. Gold is what? Come on, man. Land Cruiser in the US, I don't know. How much is this car? This car is... Good question. I don't think it's that expensive. Here, right here, hold on. This I bought for 9 million. Meh. $52,000. $53,000. Very nice. People saying...
Yeah, Raj, it's very nice. Nice car.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. I wonder what how much a helicopter cost. Helicopter is... Oh, remote... Oh, so fucking remote control helicopter. They're showing toy helicopters. They're like, sorry man, you can't afford the real one. Here's a toy one. Helicopter price. Helicopter price. Ah, there we go. Oh, 1.8 million. Holy shit. Yeah, these are some serious helicopters over here. Wow. Helicopter is cheap, bro. Really? In Pakistan? Waleed, tell me, how much is it? Probably in 3-4 years we can buy one and then come to South Punjab. 2003 Bell 430. Yeah, they don't have a price over here. Ooh, 1989. Price, please call. Come on, man, just tell the price. Oh, you can buy one for about 400,000. That's not bad. Yeah, that's no fun. They're not showing any prices over here. Oh yeah, they show the price right here. 3.74 million, 1.5 million, 1.2 million, 995. Oh, this is affordable right here. 185,000. I can buy it. I can buy maybe 10 of these. Oh yeah, this is fun. Definitely gonna die in there. Fucking thing just falls. 365. Yeah, this is much better. 1988. All right. Looks like the helicopters are not that bad. Interesting. Loan calculator. Down payment, let's say we put down 30%. Loan term is months. Yeah, 180 months. Interest rate, whatever. Not bad. Monthly payment, $2,000. Like a Lambo. Not bad, guys. Oh, there we go. Pound yen is still open. Wow. Look at the 15-minute time frame. Look the way it closed. Now it's just going to make a top wick. 5 pip stop. And then we're going to continue on moving down. Jirga tax. Mohsin Khan Kosa, he have his own plane too. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, I've heard about those guys. Kosa family. Yeah, if it hits stops, then whatever. The week is done at that point. Anyway, guys, I'm going to head off. Take care, everybody. It was nice seeing you guys today. We're going to see you guys on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, probably. We're going to see you guys on Thursday. Might go to the expo here. Might go to the expo in Dubai. Who knows? We'll see. All right. Take care. Have fun. And you know what I'm saying? Nice to see you, pussycat.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it.
Take care, Roger. Thank you.
Take care.